Thank you for having me. My name is Carla. I am the owner and founder of Creative Contour by Carla, LLC. I'm a makeup artist based in our lovely city of Boston. As a makeup artist, this is what I like to use to help myself match skin tones. So we can see it's a little fan, and we can see on the bottom of the fan, there are the colors of the rainbow. Then we have our darkest skin tone here, the lightest, and then the medium on the fan. So that's what I'm going to use for our demonstration today, but I'm also going to tell you how you can do it at home. First, what can we do at home when we don't have our fans? So 2 things that I always like to have on me. Number 1 is good lighting, and I always like to use either a white blanket or a white towel. We don't want any color interrupting, so sometimes in our clothing, color bounces off onto the skin. So let's get into the demonstration. So I'm gonna grab my fan here. I'm gonna stand to the side. We can eliminate 2 shades of depth in any of these. I can hold up any of these against your skin tone. Which 2 can we eliminate? So we have the light, we have the medium, and we have the dark.
The dark.
Dark, okay.
Medium.
And medium. So that means that Janet is light. Very good. Okay, so now that we know that, our reference point on our fan is going to be the middle option. So if I'm holding this up, this is our reference point here in the middle. What do we think? So let's try a red orange. So we're looking in this middle color. What do we think? No. Very good. Okay, so we know Janet is not a true olive. So if I hold them up to her, red. Red is considered a neutral. So that means that Janet is light with a neutral undertone. That's what that means. So we're going to look at colors, right? So we're looking at that middle reference point. We don't see light with neutral. We don't see that kind of reddish or light tones. Okay. And one last time. Yeah.
Yes.
I saw the confident look on everybody's face in here. Wow. You guys are fast learners. I love this. Okay. So now that we know we have the right palette, yep, we're going to get in some colors a little bit lighter than this light shade. So I am going to use the top row here. But I still want to show you this second color so we can see the difference and when it comes to matching your own skin tone in the makeup store. Not the right match, huh? So the first color was our correct match. So that is our light with neutral undertone. Now, for everyone who says they didn't see it, do you see it now?
Yeah.
You do?
Looks really green.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right, I'm gonna check my work. What do we think? Is Janet ready to go out to dinner tonight after our event? Yeah? Awesome. Okay.
Peter, we're going out for dinner.
Oh, okay, Peter, we're going out for dinner. Awesome. Her makeup look, because she hasn't seen herself yet. Yeah? What do we think? Is she gonna like it?
Yeah.
Pressure's on. Oh, wow, I love the confidence. Wow. I love this confidence, everybody. Janet, take a look.
Oh, very nice. Wow.
Oh, you guys are right. I
Wow.
love this for you guys. Janet, do you have any questions?
No.
Oh.
I'm an art myself.
You're so good. Oh my God. All right. Well, awesome. Thank you so much, everybody.